We're here in Lake Superior in Ashland, Wisconsin on Shawamagan. We're here. Shawamagan?
Yeah.
We're here in I'm not gonna do Shawamagan. Shawamagan. Robert here, the wind rider here in Shawamagan Bay in Ashland, Wisconsin. We just went out with our friend Captain Andy Gustafson and took us out for just a fantastic day. Calm, beautiful weather. So couldn't really ask for anything better at this beginning of October weekend. We thought weather was going to be rainy like it is now, but it held out all day for us. Tried a few different things, tried some ripping wraps and plastics. But they weren't biting anything but sucker minnows. So we were just dragging sucker minnows along the bottom, drifting along, and that's how we kind of caught all the fish.
Right.
It's like a football.
Probably bigger than a football.
Ready? I'm gonna drop them. Always go head first, then they swim away.
I need some help.
You need some help there, net man? Oh, and you're getting my camera bag wet. Great, great.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Nom, 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 nom.
Good? Yeah? Do you want to go grab the scale? See if we can weigh them? Careful, careful.
It's all over the place.
Like he wears a life jacket.
Exactly.
We caught, 3 pound up to 5 pound.
Look at this one. That's a wave fish. Go get him!
There you go.
Boy, is that funny to you?
Yeah, but don't try.
Lost 6 pounder at the boat.
Could you be down in that?
Isaac caught his personal best fish, which was awesome. But yeah, it was just, a fantastic time. So.
What did you like there, Isaac? Did you like that? You like smallies?
And Isaac was a fantastic deckhand. He was doing all the netting. He was bringing us all the minnows.
Got one good.
So he was super helpful and just kind of had a great time.
Nice job. There we go.
That was so hard to get him in. He was heavy like glue. I kept it weight on.
Oh yeah, here. And then Isaac. They're a lot shallower than I would have expected. We were fishing in 12, 13 feet.
So that's a big one.
Andy has LiveScope on his boat, and we were seeing 15, 20 fish in a school. So they were just kind of piled up out there, and I think we were tripled up at one point.
Hey, we got 3 of them on. Hey, quick, hurry. We're gonna let this one go.
And so it was just a fantastic fishing time.
Yeah, average. Hold them, kiss them,
Nice
kiss them
average.
for good luck.
You touch his.
See, always try to get them in heads first, because then they'll just, boom, they go.